on to our second award of the evening, and that is Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year. This award is sponsored by industry distribution company Cramp, and we would like to thank them once again for supporting us this year as principal sponsors. Please join me in welcoming Andrew Herring, account manager from Cramp, and he's going to present our second award. Andrew Herring, ladies and gentlemen.
Hope you're all enjoying it, and I can't wait to get this over with so I can enjoy some more beers after this. But yeah, so I'm here from Cramp, and we're extremely proud to present Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year. Having worked in dealerships for over 7-8 years, and now going around and seeing many of my accounts, agricultural dealers out there, I can completely sympathise and understand what challenging times you've gone through over the last decade and the changes that have come into the market. And I think streamlining would be something that I'd say has really hit the industry, because that's something that everyone's had to do over the years gone by. So to announce the finalists of this year's Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year are last year's winners: RBWQ Limited, RBM Agricultural Limited and Vincent Tractors Limited. So the judges commented this year that the winning dealer supplied a strong category entry with comprehensive customer feedback. They supported training and education in the industry. As we've heard today, I think that's a big thing that we really need to look at going forward. And recently celebrated their 80th birthday. This year's Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year is RBM Agricultural Limited.